Pretty.
Hi. Okay, as a user, I want to see the category.
So we will use that as a standard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
How many hours,
Points.
points do you think that should be?
Don't ask. Just read it, and you decide it yourself.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah, I know. I was just gonna tell them to lay it down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the points, the counts. Yeah,
okay, so as a user,
I want to see the category. 3 to 1. Have you guys decided?
no, not really.
Not really, yeah, it is actually pretty.
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
decided.
Okay.
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Hang on.
Why?
Wow, yeah.
Why?
Why?
Shall we show that to the camera?
Yeah.
Is that necessary?
We'll just do this once.
Yeah, just this one.
So why?
Because you're creating each category, and all those different categories have to give you the different results, right?
You mean the listing?
Oh, it's got to do with the tagging and labeling.
Yeah,
Hey,
because I'm
is it?
just thinking about the tagging thing. Category.
How do you mean?
I mean, just like I create a database and there's a table which you can store all the categories in there.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that won't take
Much time?
Yeah, so
Okay. Really? Alright, shall we play this again?
Those are scary. Those are shady ass. Next one?
No, not yet.
no.
No, not yet. Okay,
Until
we'll
we
make
have
it.
to
Until we
come
get
to
the-
an agreement.
Okay, so we get an agreement.
Alright.
Shall we do this again?
Yeah.
Now pick 2. 3, 2, 1, flip. Yay, that's
Cool.
3.
Ah.
Okay.
Yay.
So
Woo.
we'll put a 3
Um,
in the comments, or like was I think there was something else.
And here?
No, there should be another. Can you zoom out a little bit?
Yep.
Yeah.
there's
If you
something on
go,
the right.
was it the
Or shall we add
labels or?
labels?
Labels.
I think it was labels.
Yeah, we can do that. We can add a new label.
Name it 3.
Yeah.
Okay. And what
3
color?
points. Any
Okay.
the one that we haven't used yet.
So we use red, purple, yellow. No, turquoise.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Turquoise.
Create. Done.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah.
The next one, please.
Here we go. As a guest, I want to be able to sign up.
Okay. I've chosen. Shall we flip? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Wow.
This is tricky.
Is this still recording?
Yeah, yeah.
because it's
The
green.
green.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So,
'cause
Ichi and I have chosen 3 and
Yeah.
we've chosen 5.
Yeah, I'm thinking it can be more complicated than the category one because you need to like check whether the user is already existed in the database, and you need to like process characters in different case.
You have to test that and yeah.
Sure,
Yeah,
that's
and to validate the email address, right?
Mm.
So this can be a little bit more difficult than the category one. Because Yeah, and this is about both database thing at the back end and the web page thing at the front end, right? So it's more complicated, basically, for me. I don't know.
Okay. I just
What's your
assume.
understanding?
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
I agree with you
yeah,
now.
Yeah.
It actually does make sense.
You get convinced really easily.
Yeah. Revote. Okay.
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 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice.
5 points.
5 points.
Is this the right way?
Okay.
Well, normally you're supposed to ask both ways why it's easier, why it's hard.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Ah, okay.
But then he spoke first, and then we were like, okay.
Yeah,
we
I was
agree.
Then you
convinced.
guys agreed to.
Yeah. 5 points. Okay, we'll use Bing.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. All right.
As an administrator, I want to have an admin panel so that I can control the user status.
Mm. Shuffle it. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
I'm really good.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell us about it. Why? Why
Okay, I thought it was 3 because I didn't think this would take as long as making sign up process. I didn't think it was as complex. Basically, all you need is a panel that shows the list of the customers. I mean, not customers, users, right? And all you need is a button next to them which gives you the options to change the status of the users.
Like deactivate or activate?
Yeah. So I didn't think it would be that difficult. Or like should be time consuming as
the
sign
sign
up.
up one, right? That makes sense.
Because there's one administrator.
Yeah.
And there's a user users.
Yeah, that will be just like a list of users and some options to each user. Right?
Yeah. That's all. Yeah. That's why. What was your understanding or view?
Because I was thinking like you change the status if it's easy as activate or deactivate, it'll be easy. But if you want to like say ban a user for 7 days, that's a condition, right?
Yeah.
That will be hard to implement.
No, I didn't think that far. I just when you ban a user, for forever. But then you also we could adapt other options, like sending them 3 times warnings before you actually deactivate them.
That's something else we
Yeah,
can do.
yeah,
Right?
we can do.
Okay. So that makes sense.
Yeah, okay.
Sure do it, yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yes.
Yes.
3 pointers.
3 points.
Okay. Now, what's the next one?
As a guest, I want to be able to log in and log out.
Log in and log out.
As a guest, log in and log out.
As a guest,
Yeah.
log in, and as a user, log out.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh,
sorry.
It was different.
2,
Everyone has
3,
an
and
opinion?
5.
2, 3, and 5.
So you start from the highest and you go.
Oh, okay. In the acceptance criteria, we have a condition that we need to create. When they log in, you should be able to see them from the top right corner, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you should be able to log out from there, right?
Right.
And which is a navigation pane, which will appear on every page. And I thought that would take quite a while to create. And they also should be in profiles, right? User profile.
But that's another user story. We don't need to consider that here. We just need to consider logging it out, and there will be a string or a link on the corner of the web page. So it won't be a problem.
The corner of the web page won't be the link though. It should be a separate button with separate actions, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It can be a button or a link or
Yeah,
something else,
yeah.
right? But it's like customized.
Yeah.
You want to display the user's name or things, but when you log in, you just basically just verify if the user exists in the database and whether the password is the same as we stored in the database, right? And we redirect the user to the home page. If the username and password were right, we will give the user a cookie, and it'll stored in its browser, and we can check that cookie
Next
on
time.
home page. If they have the cookie, we will display the button or the link. If they don't, we just don't. We leave it.
Please wait for it to
With the home page as its original appearance, so it won't be a big problem as a 5-point problem. Because what we do basically, it's just check and check the username and password. That's the first check, and then at the home page, we just check the cookie.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking. I don't know.
Okay.
Or I may also adjust these points too.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Oh!
Oh!
I thought, so we're going with 3. That's a 3. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 3 points. That was a fail, E.T. Sorry, guys. Wow. A shocker. Okay. As a user, I want to be able to create a listing.
Oh.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Well, I thought it would be easy, but I just thought of a user's point of view, not the person making it, so that's my mistake. Sorry, guys.
Because according to the acceptance criteria, there will be several things we need to do, like add title description is easy, but we need to add image. So that means we need to do like file upload and upload
Yeah,
and
that's
storing, right?
quite a hectic. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
and-
why I've chose 5.
And also we need to.
Me and my 3. Sorry, guys, that was a letdown. Yeah, actually, now I see it. There's actually heaps to do.
Image. Yeah. Description. Description is easy because that's just a text box.
That's not just a text box, right? Because when you write a description, you want the descriptions to have like the important points you want to stress, right? Like a strong header and with some descriptions and maybe several lists.
So you want to give it a format, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it will be basically it's a HTML editor, not just a plain text editor. Right? So it will be a little bit time.
Normally it's just title and the
Yeah, we can
Right?
do that.
we can make it really simple.
Yeah,
that's
it's
happen.
a small project.
Okay.
I don't think we need to be able to edit like the font color, you know?
It's
Yeah.
desirable though. Like,
It is.
Yes,
Yeah.
But
I
not
agree.
at this stage, I
Not
think.
But still,
Not
manage the file uploading and
Photos,
storing
yes,
is
I
a
agree.
problem, right?
Yeah.
Because we need to store, and we also need to store the file address after we uploading it into the database, right?
Yeah.
So it can be tricky. So
Revote.
Okay, revert. Have we decided? Okay, I didn't. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I just.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
fine.
8 point. Okay, label.
right? That's what we're thinking, right?
Are we in the same shoe?
As a guest, I want to search for spaces by using category so that I can find spaces that I am interested in.
Wait, so that's basically we can choose a category and there will be listings under this category, right?
That have the ones. Oh, is it before we? No.
That's same as the category, isn't it? Because in the acceptance criteria for the categories, we said you get the result back for the chosen categories.
Actually, in my point of view, that was like not something we can see on the website. It's basically some database operations.
Oh, you mean like the search engine?
Yeah, for the first one,
Oh.
basically.
8 nudges.
No, not a
Oh,
search engine. It's
Yeah.
The whole card thing.
it's just like retrieving data from the database.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So this is about like displaying all the data we retrieved on the web page. Right? I don't know whether.
I think the category was supposed to do that though. Unless you're looking for a search engine.
Oh, I don't know. So what shall we do now?
I think we're just gonna delete that one because that overlaps with the other one. So we'll
Okay.
just leave that for now, but
Yeah.
move on to next one.
As a guest, I want to see listings on the home page.
Homepage, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay.
Oh no, but then what does it mean by listings on the homepage?
All listings.
Like
Yeah, or that are just
all of them just
yeah, straight.
all of them on it.
Or like
And like thumbnail.
yeah, maybe like just like a flow.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. What? Okay. Why?
Because I think this is definitely easier than handling the create listings thing, right?
Yeah.
But this is also harder than the category one.
I didn't think that it would take 5 points, just because all you're doing is displaying it in a thumbnail format, right? And it's gonna automatically retrieve from the newest to the oldest anyway, right? And if that's all you're doing, I don't think it should take that long.
I feel like
But it's not as complex as the what is it? What's the other 5 pointers that we had?
Sign up.
Sign up. I don't think it's gonna be as near.
like I know it's gonna be like straight.
Yes, because the sign up, like,
I know it's more complex.
I guess,
Yeah. Can we carry on or like
Oh, cause
later? So like, can we have like 2 separate videos? Because we're almost done anyway, right?
yeah.
we need the video for the whole process of our planning program.
Well, for this one, yeah. What's the whole thing? Lots of
Yeah. Oh, I just put the
Wow. Committed.
Yeah, so we need to stop the video, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, we're still recording.
we were almost done anyway.
Bye.
Alright.
Okay.
So we're gonna continue from where we left off, right?
Yep.
Which is, AT, please get your laptop out, please.
Oh.
That's interesting. The messenger thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm working on a proxy server now, so.
Oh, we're covering that as well.
Really?
I think it's really good. You should.
Yeah, but I can't choose that paper.
You can't.
Yeah, because there are prerequisites.
Which is?
I don't know, but they told me there are prerequisites.
What paper is it?
Distributed mobile system.
Oh yeah, you did
LDD?
LDD.
I
No,
have
not LDD. It's
not just LDD, and also a math paper, right? I don't know.
Which one is that paper?
I haven't done a math.
Really?
Really?
Any
math paper. Lucky.
Yeah, you should have done some math paper.
No.
No? Okay, so
Okay.
I don't know why.
It's a case by case, I
Okay.
think.
As a guest, I want to search for spaces by using categories. Is this the one we missed?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So still miss it? Okay, next one. As a guest, I want to be able to see user profiles.
User profiles.
As a guest, is it recording? Yes.
Yep.
As a guest,
As a
we want
guest,
to see the user
user
profile.
profile.
Wait, here, what does user profile mean? Means the user's like the picture,
Yeah, like the listings and
the email address, or
Right.
and
User
the user's
profile
listing?
means user's picture, user's listings, user's everything.
Okay.
Description, it says profile name, profile image, and profile biography.
Wait, do we have the image thing in the sign up, user sign up, user story?
It's a choice.
yeah.
If they don't upload a photo for users,
We will
they'll
assign
have
a
a
default,
default image.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I can accept that.
So, shall we?
Yeah.
Three, two, one.
Dang, it's I was about to do 5. I actually was.
Explain.
I actually thought it would actually be. To be honest, when I was thinking 5. Yeah, I was actually thinking 5, but I just chose 2 because I got nervous. But yeah, sorry guys. This is embarrassing. Yeah.
Alright, you're not facing the camera.
Okay, good. Because they can hear my voice. Yeah.
Yeah, because what I'm thinking is the user profile thing will come across several different tables in database, so it can be a little bit time consuming.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But then this is exactly the same as, well, it shouldn't be as difficult as the last one.
I mean, which one? The category one?
Yeah, I know the listing
Listing.
on a homepage.
Actually, I think that's easier because all the listing are in the same database table, right?
And this one is?
This one is not. I need to retrieve the user's information from the user table and the listing information from the listing table, and we'll match them because we are not listing all of the what we've got the spaces on the same user's profile.
Okay.
So I need to like I don't know, cross reference or double check that. I don't know.
So, are we convinced?
Yeah, I'm convinced.
So we do this again.
It's okay, I think it's gonna last
It's like
till we
10
finish.
minutes. Okay.
We've got only 3 more, right?
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1. Sweet.
That's a 5
There's
points.
5 points. We only have 3, so I have
I don't think we'll have 2 or 1.
Oh, hey guys.
We already
Oh, hi, actually. Oh, now it's gonna die.
What are you guys doing?
We're carrying on with the workout.
2 hours is enough.
Is that your lunch?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, look at you, healthy.
Healthy.
Wow.
It's okay.
Tuna.
Next one.
This is even more precious.
Yeah, I just gotta listen to your explanation.
I know. Yo, my explanations
Yeah.
are really
Is that
bad. I'm so bad at it.
Hurt you.
Yeah, legit. Okay. Is that the one that we guessed I wanted to?
we did that.
We've skipped that one.
Yeah, and then this one. Oh, we skipped this one. As a guess, I want to see the list.
That's the one we did last, which
What we
was
did.
8 pointers or 5 pointers, was it?
How many of you guys done?
5. That was a 5.
And this is 6.
5,
This is 6 now.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's the total story points? Estimation.
Shall we count?
Yeah. Is this the 8?
No, that is a 5. 5 or 3?
No, I was
No,
between 5 and 8.
It was definitely 5.
5. Okay.
So let's count from the very top. That's 3,
Oh, yeah, 3.
8,
Is
11.
that 8?
What? 11.
5.
No,
That's
5.
5.
Oh, right.
We're just adding up.
Oh, yeah.
11. Go down, scroll down a little bit. And 14. And then this 8, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 22. 20,
That's a
27.
5.
27, 32.
32.
That's
32.
it.
32.
I think the 8 one is too big. For my
8 one
point.
is too big.
What's the
Let's
8?
go back to 8.
This one.
The blue one. But that's.
Think about
There's
it.
a lot.
It's pretty big. If you say it's an 8, right?
Yeah.
There's about 3 threes.
Yeah. But this is important, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's the
Yeah,
big
'cause
How are
this
we
is
gonna-
like the core functionality of this website.
thing.
This is what I mean. Like, so should you try to break it down? What if this one doesn't implement? Will this affect the other user stories? You gotta think about that, right?
Shall we separate the image uploading thing from
It-
this one?
Yeah, we can
Create
separate
another.
Give that all.
database one.
Right. For that user story, you have multiple fields. You have multiple fields.
Yeah, like a profile. No, not really.
Like when you upload or listing a product on TradeMe.
Hmm.
So that's a big one.
Yeah. It's about
So you
creating-
can actually break that into 2 user stories, right? Because you got step 1, step 2, right? Step 1 would be like enter first name, last name, address. Next user story would be upload an image or enter a description.
Oh, so one user story, 2.
Well,
steps.
that's an epic right now. From my point of view, if it's 8, it looks like an epic to me. You know? So if you break that into maybe 2. Well, remember, each user story gets designated to each person, right? 2 people can't be working on the same user story.
Okay.
So we'll split this one into create another user story.
I think the like the title, description, and I don't know. It's a bit tricky, but how to separate this? How can we? What do you got in mind?
The user. Do we still need the first acceptance criteria?
It uses
Which one?
The first. Because I thought we decided not to, right?
from experience, anything that's above 5 is a nightmare for a team. That's what I'll tell you that. It's a big nightmare. If it's bigger than a 5, it causes a lot of issues. Anything more than a 5. Because what happens is like, look at it in hours. Do you want to just spend 8 hours developing one thing? One feature? Pisses you off.
I think there might be a problem with we might be overestimated the first user story. What is that? Because the first one is free.
Then you think it's only gonna take 1 hour?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
No, don't do that.
No.
Anything below 5 is perfect. That's how you learn. But anything over 5 or even 8 is just too big.
Yeah.
Cause a lot of issues. That's what my friend as well told me from 0. They never go above 5. If it's above 5, they leave you for another day. They break this new story down. Well, this is giving my point of view.
Yeah. That's right. Thank you.
I don't
Yeah,
think
but
the
how are we
first
gonna-
criteria is the main issue here. Because
Oh.
that's just like a link.
Oh, sorry guys, my computer is the worst computer ever. I'm so sorry. Oh, shame! Oh my gosh. Guys, yeah, I've had ready for too long. This is so embarrassing. I'm a disgrace to the human. Sorry. Take this out. Shame. Yeah.
I think we can like split this to 2 stages. The first stage without images, and the
Yeah, but
second
then
stage.
this is exactly the same as making a normal profile, isn't it? And we've done 5 pointers for the user profiles, but we're giving 8 for this one. Why? Because even normal profiles have images as well.
I didn't think of that because the user signing up, they never mentioned about like a picture thing, right? In our users, in our I don't know, acceptance criteria, there is no, right? Where you can check that.
Acceptance criteria.
Yeah.
What? Which one?
Sign up line. You never mentioned the user can upload or like an image or something. That's why I didn't give them.
This sign up. That's not a profile, isn't it?
Yeah, but there is the profile one. It's just display, right? It's not about added or uploading. User profile.
Profile
You just see.
image.
Actually,
Yeah.
it's just display, not
Yeah.
uploading. So I think that's.
That's uploading though. To see, you have to upload. Don't you?
No, wouldn't it just be just to see from the...
Yeah, but you just don't upload an image on the profile page. You add an image on the add or added page.
So,
I thought you upload your profile image.
Wait, no, I thought that bit was only to... Was it to view the picture or is it to upload the picture?
To view the picture, you have to upload an image, don't you?
But if the image is already there, then...
So
No,
actually,
that's a default image.
actually the problem is when is the image being uploaded, right?
Yeah.
It's not when we see it.
Yeah.
It's uploaded before, so
Yeah.
it should be at the like when you signing up this website, you should upload an image. But there is no such thing mentioned in the signing up user story.
Yeah, because when you sign up, normally you don't upload a picture of yourself. You just leave it blank, and you'll have a default image,
Mhm.
and then when you decide to upload your own, then it
Or we
appears
can-
there, right?
Yeah, or we can add another user story, which is
The manager's uploading images.
yeah,
Yeah, we can do
for
that.
the user profile, and we can put it in next screen, or we can put it as a should have.
Yeah.
But we don't need to do that now.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
So I think this works as well to the listing one. We can. So we can. That's what I mean. We can split that to two phases. The first phase without image. The second phase we can add the image uploading functionality to that create listing user story, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. So
Okay,
I
we
know.
can do that. So then, if, without the image,
we can put a
Function.
default one first.
so if we have a placeholder instead,
Mhm.
how long do we think this is gonna take? We need to do that, right?
Yeah, that could be a 5.
No, you should. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to like.
Oh, okay. I'm just saying it. Well, beep that one. Okay.
Yeah. Wait a
If you
minute.
object, you can always put forward another cat.
Okay.
Okay. So let's vote.
3, 2, 1. Okay,
Okay.
done. So that's a 5 pointer.
Yeah, but we need to
Change it.
Redo the
alter that
user.
story. We can put a comment down there, right?
Yeah.
And put the market, the acceptance criteria down there.
This one, so change this to 5. So comment.
And that one, the image, the third one,
Yeah. Take it out.
we copy that. And do this all.
Ooh, undo. Oh, undo what I just did. How do you undo there?
Ah.
Yeah, and then
Cut.
sweet.
And delete to the right. Add a comment. So we can add it.
Users to users able to add. Yeah. Use the save down.
Send the green button.
Yeah.
That's for now.
Shall we go back to the one that we did before?
Oh, it's good.
No, user profile.
User profile.
Yeah.
Add a comment down there, right? Or
Do we have it? No, I meant,
Ah.
shall we
Vote.
change the pointers to that one?
why shall we do that?
Why should we? Because the workload has been.
Is it the 5?
User profile, yeah.
Okay. The 5.
Well, it says 4 default image, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Is there all must have?
Yeah.
Oh, no, there's no one.
It's the one that
Mm. Oh no, okay.
Yeah, we-
Forget about that one.
Yeah. So we're done with that one. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So, I was thinking we 4 or 5 to 6 items, and then we're gonna make a priority list, and then we're gonna divide some work.
Yeah, throw amongst us.
Good as
Can we meet at another time?
Yeah.
I don't know.
for
Oh yeah, the Google thingy for the agreement. I'll check mine up.
the agreement.
Yeah. I think that would be pretty straightforward. I just.
Uh,
I'll
should
look
have
at
been
it.
an hour.
I'll look at it
Thanks,
after
Gigi.
this. Sorry. I just wrote random ones up and now you see that stuff. Sorry. I'm gonna do it.
Shall we meet another time? Or shall we start developing the thing?
No, we don't need to be developing anything at this stage.
It's
But
just
this
the thing.
Spring 1, the marking criteria is
That's
Spring
Spring 1. No. That's
That's
for
for the
like
paperwork,
yeah, that's
yeah.
for all the
All the
paperwork.
paperwork and stuff.
Really?
Yeah, that's what he explained.
Okay.
That's the next one. We'll be developing.
Okay. So. Okay.
But then no one's gonna say no to starting early
Yeah, exactly.
because that'll make it a lot easier.
I need to go now.
Yeah.
My friend is
Same.
waiting.
Okay, so we can pause your video.
Yeah.
And please upload it on where we are uploading it to. We should have
YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube and
No,
then
no,
on
no, no,
private.
no, no.